Hi, I'm here to talk to you today about sensory preferences in the elementary classroom. We're going to talk about multiple intelligences and why it's important to know about them as a teacher. Why? Because evidence suggests that using multisensory activities helps promote student engagement and helps student learning and retention. We learn best when many senses are involved. So first we're going to talk about how we find out what our learning style is, because a lot of the times a teacher teaches like they like to learn. Um, with my handout, I will provide lessons and activities for an elementary school classroom, mostly directed towards visual learning, auditory learning, and tactile learning, because those are the top three types of intelligences. I encourage you to go on to Howard Gardner's TED Talk, where he talks about beyond wit and grit and rethinking the keys to success, because he goes more into depth on how his thought has changed over the years after first developing the multiple intelligences. Also, you can find a link to literacynet.org where you can find your strengths and weaknesses as a teacher. You can also give this survey out to your students to find where they are strong, and this can help you tailor some of your lesson plans on a daily basis on places where your students might be more interested, and it could also help with behavior issues and keeping the children more involved in their daily lessons at school. Okay, so next time someone in your classroom says, "Excuse me, what?" Maybe it's because they just didn't quite get it in that type of intelligence. So you'll have time to maybe reteach it and give them a different way to look at it. Thank you.